Are you looking to scale your business? For many CCTV and intruder installers, the jump into commercial fire detection can be a hurdle of complex wiring and rigid regulations. But the market is shifting. We're introducing the Ajax EN54 Line, a wireless, commercial-grade fire detection system designed to secure you larger, higher-margin jobs without the traditional cable headache. In the commercial world, aesthetics are increasingly important, but compliance is non-negotiable. For decades, fire panels have been cumbersome industrial boxes. But Ajax has changed that. The control panel is the core of the EN54 line. It's refined, intuitive, and most importantly, fully compliant with BS 5839 Part 1. This unlocks a whole new territory of projects for you to bid on that were previously out of reach. Because this is a live safety system, the barrier to entry is higher. This does require FIA certification. Now, while this may seem like an extra step, it ensures that only qualified professionals like yourselves can install the system. Now, the control panel may be new, but it's tried and tested up to 1,700 meters with a clear line of sight. And even if the site loses power, with a 72-hour backup battery, the system will remain fully operational all weekend. To keep the control panel connected 24/7, it requires two forms of connection from your choice as the following: Wi-Fi, wired connection, or SIM card. As an installer, it's your ongoing responsibility to manage the SIM through your admin account. While the hardware is impressive, the software is a real game changer. The GUI is clean and professional. The Ajax wireless fire control panel isn't just a piece of hardware. It's a professional tool designed to elevate your business into the commercial fire space. It's faster to install, easier to manage, and looks better in an office than anything else on the market. To get your hands on one of these for a client or for yourself, contact the sales team via email or by phone. And don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Subscribe and hit the notification icon.